Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to set up your voice call or your voicemail, your voice drop. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you have your contacts. Now in a previous video I accidentally put the number in the contact section that was the Twilio number. In this section you put the number you're going to be calling, and it gets added to that list along with their name and their email. So once you have that, then you're able to go over to your send voicemail. And what we're going to do is we're going to go in there and we're just going to put something really simple in. So we're going to go copy this, and actually let's do a call first. Let's do a call for you. I'll put it on speaker so you guys can hear it. So we're going to send a call to the real estate agents list widget. There's only one number in there, mine, and it would be this, and I'm going to have it read in Alice's voice, English. So this is going to dial the number that's inside the contacts, and it's going to broadcast this message. Again, you can also record a file and upload it that it will play in your own voice, or have a voice actor do it for you, or you can schedule it for a future date. For this one, we're going to call it right now and just let you hear what it says. So it says a call has been made, and I'm waiting on my phone to ring now. My phone is ringing. I'm going to answer it. Put on speaker.
Are you interested in getting more leads for your real estate business? Our new progressive web app will do that for your business. Call me back for details.
So that's just doing it as a simple voice response, a voice call. And you can load thousands of phone numbers in there, and the message can be anything you want it to be. So that's how you would set that up. If you're doing a voicemail drop, what's going to happen is that it's going to connect to the phone. It might ring for like a half a second and just immediately show as a missed call. So I'm going to show you on the voicemail side of things how that works, and you're going to see a pop-up in the corner when the voicemail actually comes in. So we're going to do the same message, but this time we're going to have a man's voice do it, and we're going to send the voicemail. Now it takes a bit of time. You may hear my phone do a quick ring and then hang up. That's it. So it did a quick ring. It stopped. And now it's in the process of sending it to voicemail. Once the voicemail comes in, you'll see a little pop-up on my side screen. My phone shows a missed call. So again, it's like a split second, and then it goes straight into their voicemail box. And it takes about a minute, to get in there. And again, you can do thousands of these at a time. Make sure you have a list that is up to date and current. You don't want to be charged for phone numbers that are disconnected or anything. And when that voicemail comes in, you'll hear that it's going to read in the man's voice this time the same message that we have put in there. So again, like I said, it takes a moment because it is his voicemail that has to go through, the voicemail channels. But once it shows up in there, then again, there we go. It just showed up. So you can see right here, it's a voicemail. And then I can go in and play that voicemail and let you hear it. And again, it's going to be in the guy's voice. So we go in there, we hit play.
Are you interested in getting more leads for your real estate business? Our new progressive web app will do that for your business. Call me back for details.
So you heard it. The voicemail came in. It said the same exact message. It's in the guy's voice, so you can tell the difference between the voice call I did and the voicemail drop I did. So that's how you do that. We'll be covering other things in detail later on. If you guys have any specific needs, concerns, or want to know how to do something else, reach out to me at 760-422-3052. Thank you, guys.